Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to check out the smartest smart trash can from Airdeer. This smart trash can will seal the bag itself, and once you remove the bag from the trash can, it will replace the bag itself. And it does have the motion sensor to open and close the lid. Let's get started. Airdeer. This is instruction manual. Quick starter guide. You have the USB Type-C charging cable to charge the trash can. And it comes with a power block. USB Type-A. The motion sensor. This is a 4-gallon trash can. See, this is the lid. The charging port, the USB Type-C charging port's in the back. And it does come with the refillable bags to get you started. Before the smart trash can does its job, we're going to have to power it up. So in the back of the trash can, there is the power on switch right here. Just slide to the right to power it on. And there you go, you hear that? It's packing the bag right now. It will tell you when it's ready.
Uploading complete. Welcome to Airdeer Smart Trash Can.
Now we could throw some trash in. Quick. Okay, let's have the trash can bag the cans. To do that, just place your finger or your thumb right on the touchpad right here. After 4 beeps, it start packing, and let you know it's gonna start packing the bags. Look at that. Is that awesome or what? Look at this. And now it's gonna refill the bags.
Bag loading complete.
Check that out. How easy that is to, take out your trash. Inside the trash can, there's a vacuum vent right here on the bottom. What that does, it actually help fill the bag inside the trash can. Because as you can see right now, it's inside the lid, right? I'm gonna close the lid up and turn the trash can on, and I'll show you after when it's done filling the trash can, and you see the difference. So let me turn it on, and you can hear the vacuum.
Bag loading complete. Welcome to Airdeer Smart Trash Can.
You turn off the power. Now let's open the lid. That's what the vacuum did. Once you charge up the trash can, the battery will last up to 180 days. It just depends how often the trash gets filled and rebagged. To charge the battery, the trash can, in the back of the trash can, let me turn it off first. In the back of the trash can here, there's a USB Type-C charging port. Grab the power block and the charging USB Type-C cable that came with the trash can. You plug the USB Type-A connector into the power block and the USB Type-C connector into the back of the trash can. Just like that, and then plug into your outlet and charge it up. Once it's full, it will last up to 180 days. Alright guys, if you have any questions for the Airdeer Smart Trash Can, please leave it in the comment section below. Please help the channel out, subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get new videos update. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.